Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick review of the Firestick 4K versus the brand new Firestick 4K Ultra High Definition. So here is the new one here where it says watch reveal vibrant 4K Ultra HD, and here's the old one, the second gen 4K Firestick. So I've upgraded my router to the Wi-Fi 6 and decided I need another 4K Fire Stick, so I decided to grab the new 4K Ultra. So just doing a quick comparison, this is the 4K, a second gen. As you can see, the boxes are look the same. Pretty much everything that's on the front is the same except for on the second gen 4K Fire Sticks has HBO Showtime, and on the third gen 4K Fire Stick, the Ultra HD, as you can see, they added a few more like Paramount Plus, Disney Plus, Discovery, things of that nature to it, but it's pretty much the same. Both Fire Sticks have the same amount of apps on there. So as you can see with the Ultra 4K, a little different. Right here you see that you have an Alexa button. Right here you have the microphone button. But the 4K Ultra, the Alexa button still works as a microphone. So it's just pretty much they're simplifying it for you. So as you can see right here, everything pretty much looks the same. So let's go ahead and open up this new 4K Fire Stick just to show you. This is what it looks like. Like I said, pretty much the same right here. As you can see, side by side, they both do the same thing. This one says Dolby Vision Atmos. This one says the same thing. It just looks a little different, but it's pretty much the same as far as appearance of the box. So this one is already on another TV in the home, and this one is one that came in today from Amazon. So as you can see, they pretty much, like I said, the graphics are a little different, but they pretty much say the same thing on the back. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. Here's the top, pretty much the same as the other ones. Okay, so we go ahead and take this out. As you can see, right here, it says hello, Firestick 4K. And I'm just going to open the other one just so you guys can see the difference, just to really make sure is it a difference. So as you can see with the 4K, original second gen 4K Fire Stick, the box was black. This one is tan. As you can see, you open this one up, like I said, this one it says hello and it's in orange. And the original 4K Fire Stick is in black. So here's the original packaging that I had with this one. Here's the previous receipt. And as you can see, it's batteries in this one, batteries in this one, charger in this one, and you also have a different charger with the 4K third gen. So as you can see, this one looks a little slender than the one from the 4K Fire Stick. So that's one noticeable difference just with hardware. Okay, batteries are pretty much the same, Amazon batteries. And here's the remote for the new 4K Ultra third gen Fire Stick. And here is the remote for the 4K second gen Fire Stick. So as we put them side by side together, as you can see, this was a bonus item that came with it. It was just a remote protector for the 4K Fire Stick when it first came out. And here's the new one. So you can see pretty much the difference is the volume control. You still have everything. You have more buttons on the 4K Ultra brand new 3rd gen Fire Stick. You also have the Prime button, you have the Disney Plus button, Netflix, and Hulu. Original 4K Fire Stick, you have the mute and just a volume control added. And you see it's still on the Ultra, but it's right here. And you also got like a TV button right here as well. So that's one noticeable difference just with different hardware for the Fire Stick. Okay, so let's keep it moving. Hello, Fire TV Stick 4K. Just pretty much telling you what's included right here. Tell you what the buttons is for. That's the TV icon is for guide, rewind, pause, play, fast forward, and show you how to do the complete screen setup. So this is what's in there. We go to the original 4K. As you can see, it's less pages than the Ultra 4K Fire Stick. Pretty much tell you everything and what the old one did, the 2nd gen Fire Stick. So, okay, so we see the difference there. Here's a card. Okay, so the cord that you get with the 4K Ultra Fire Stick right here, we can pull this out. It's right here. Another micro USB. They're still keeping it micro USB. And right there. And something else in this box. Okay, so you have your extender HDMI, which you also got with the original 4K Fire Stick. I'll put it out for you guys. And they're pretty much the same. Nothing pretty much changed there. And here's another micro USB cable for the 2nd generation 4K Fire Stick. So now on to the good part. So finally we have the, right here, it's the Fire Stick 4K Ultra. This is how the stick looks. Take it out. I'll just tell you on the right here, it says for best performance included, use the power adapter and USB cable that they've provided with this right here. So this is the 4K and this is the 4K Ultra. So this is pretty much everything that's in the box. Pretty much no difference from the original 4K Fire Stick. Like I said, this is the Ultra. Put the remote side to side. And that seems about it. Like I said, I have the other 4K Fire Stick on another TV. But they pretty much look the same. But one noticeable difference that I did know, they had it on display. When I did check it out before I actually made the purchase online, this one is actually faster. You actually have 2 gigs of RAM versus the original 4K Fire Stick only had 1.5 gigs of RAM. This megahertz processor is also faster than the 4K 2nd gen Fire Stick. Menu options definitely scroll and load up faster. So that's definitely a plus here. So, all right, guys, so thank you for watching. This is the unboxing and just a little comparison of what you get for the 4K Fire Stick 2nd gen and the 3rd gen Fire Stick here. And just to show you one quick time, they tell you on the box right here. See, they let you know 2nd generation, 3rd generation. So anytime they come out with second and third or fourth generation, it's always going to be some kind of improvement. So the 4K was definitely faster than the original Fire Sticks. Now, with all the streaming people are doing, they're making it Wi-Fi 6 compatible, which will still work with this one because what I'm using, but this one is definitely made to handle the fast streaming and the load up times faster. So whatever you're trying to stream, you won't have to have all that lag like it previously was in the other Fire Sticks. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like the videos. I'll put some links in the description for you if you're interested in checking out more the specs information for these Fire Sticks. Thanks for watching.